Hi friends, this video shows how to fix all network and internet related issues. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video. First go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go down. Go to system. Tap here. Go down. Tap on reset options. Then go to reset Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Tap here. You can see this will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. This operation is safe. It will not delete any data from your phone. It will not delete photos, videos, apps, anything. It just reset only the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Tap on this reset settings button. Again tap on this reset settings. Done. See, network settings have been reset. After this reset operation, you can go back and check your network and internet. That should work. So this way we can easily fix network or internet not working issue. Please check it.